Hello friends, welcome to our channel acco Medical. Today we will show you the demo of portable analog 4-channel TENS machine. It comes with a carry bag, a set of strap, gel bottle, 4 wires and 8 pads. Let's start the demo. Switch on the machine, attach wire and pads. Check all the intensity knobs should be set at 0. This is the frequency knob. You can adjust the frequency as per your requirement. It starts from 2 Hz to 250 Hz. After placing the electrodes on the patient body, increase the intensity, channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. During the treatment you can also set the frequency if you want. Once the treatment is completed, keep all the knobs at 0. Switch off the machine. Clean the pads properly. The demo is completed. You can also buy this machine online from MedicalBazzar.com. The link will be given in the description below.